In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your broker to TradingView Mobile. So just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the TradingView app on your device and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, go to the Charts section. Now, to connect your broker, tap on the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, from the menu that appears, tap on Trade with your broker. Now, you'll see a list of brokers that are supported by TradingView. So here you can choose the broker you already have an account with, or if you're new, you can select one and open an account. Now, for this example, just select your broker, and the app will prompt you to connect your account. Now, if you already have an account, tap on Connect, and if you don't have one, tap on Open Account. Now, a new tab will open where you need to enter your username or email and your password. Now, after entering your details, tap on the Sign In button. And once your credentials are verified, you'll be redirected back to the TradingView app. Now your broker will be successfully connected, and you'll be able to place live trades or demo trades directly inside TradingView. And that's it. That's how you connect a broker to TradingView Mobile. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.